different business models. The first one is basic model, which we always see for the shopkeepers and all. They are basically sell goods and service. That's how even jewelers do. We basically sell goods and we provide the service. That is our basic model. Then we are having a membership model, which is basically we offer annual membership or loyalty programs like Tanishq or Go Vivo or maybe Kalyan Jewelers and all are offering these days. Then the third one is digital. Digital is basically we basically set a marketplace for buyers and sellers. So like Amazon and Netflix, they are creating a marketplace where different buyers and different sellers are coming and selling and buying their products. Then the last one is your software. Software is basically it is sold as a service. So if you guys are using any software these days, are you using any software like Photoshop or anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So there used to be a time when Photoshop used to sell their software as a yearly or lifetime this thing. But now they have changed it into more of a
License.
monthly. Like you can take a monthly. Like every month you have to pay for Photoshop, and because they are all of these are converting their platforms to cloud. So cloud-based जब से इन्होंने अपने सारे software किए हैं, they have started doing more of a monthly base. So even CorelDRAW or Photoshop, like any product of Adobe's or CorelDRAW, they are doing it more of a monthly base now instead of providing like one-time payment and lifetime this. So that is basically another business model which softwares have started because they realize that they are having a lot of number of customers. So instead of paying, just getting a money from them one time, they get more profit if they started paying every month or in a yearly basis. So these are the four business models.